Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Gazebo Kits is probably one of the most rewarding DIY projects you can undertake, transforming your backyard into a stunning oasis for relaxation and entertainment. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know about selecting and building the perfect gazebo kit for your needs and budget, from understanding different materials and sizes to mastering the assembly process. Number 5. Purple Leaf Gazebo. Get ready to enjoy your outdoor space like never before. This gazebo offers superior protection from the elements while providing a stylish and comfortable setting for relaxation and entertainment. It features a fade-resistant and rust-resistant galvanized steel roof, strong enough to withstand heavy snow. The sturdy aluminum frame ensures stability even in windy conditions. The double-top vented roof design promotes excellent airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable. It also adds to its strength and wind resistance. Rain is no match for this gazebo. Its sloped roof and gutter system efficiently channels water away, keeping your space dry and enjoyable. Enjoy added protection and privacy with the included removable curtains and netting. These provide UV and rain protection while maintaining good ventilation. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying a quiet afternoon, or simply seeking shade, this gazebo is the perfect addition to your patio, lawn, or garden. What we like. It boasts a sturdy aluminum frame and a double roof design for superior wind resistance. If you need a gazebo that can withstand harsh weather conditions, this is the one for you. Its hardtop provides excellent shade and protection from the elements, making it perfect for any outdoor space. What people say. The roof not only looks elegant but also provides solid protection from sun and rain while also allowing airflow. It's been through a few storms already and held up beautifully. The whole structure feels incredibly sturdy, and the installation instructions were clear. The gazebo itself is incredibly sturdy and well-built. It provides ample shade and protection from the elements, making it the perfect spot to relax, entertain guests, or enjoy a meal outdoors. Number 4. Backyard Discovery Saxony Gazebo. Get ready to experience outdoor living like never before. This gazebo is built to last, providing a sheltered space for all your gatherings. It's designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. It can handle heavy snow loads and strong winds, ensuring it's there for you year-round. We're so confident in its quality, it comes with a 5-year warranty. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's a long-term investment. Never worry about running out of power again. It features a built-in power port with electrical outlets and USB ports to keep your devices charged. Made from durable cedar wood, it's naturally resistant to decay, ensuring lasting beauty and strength. The corrosion-resistant steel roof protects you and your grill from the elements, allowing for year-round barbecuing. With 2 built-in countertops, you'll have ample space for food preparation and serving. It's perfect for entertaining. It's spacious enough to fit most grills and provides the perfect setting for hosting memorable gatherings. Create lasting memories with friends and family. What we like. This gazebo is made from 100% cedar wood, offering exceptional strength and natural beauty. It also features a power port with electrical outlets and USB ports, perfect for powering outdoor devices. If you're looking for a versatile and stylish gazebo for year-round use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is an awesome product, extremely well built of solid cedar. It's beautiful and exceeded all expectations. Look, feel, sturdiness. Full roof is angled to allow snow rain to run off. The materials are solid, everything lined up. It took 2 days with about 6 hours each and a third day of about 132 hours for the bulk of the roof. Number 3. Eagle Peak 11 by 13 Gazebo. Get ready to enjoy your outdoor space like never before with our stunning new gazebo. Its beautiful design and durable construction will create the perfect retreat for years to come. It boasts a frame made from 100% natural cedar wood, known for its weather resistance and durability. This ensures it will withstand the elements and provide lasting beauty. The galvanized steel roof is designed to block up to 90% of UV rays, keeping you cool and protected from the sun. Plus, it's strong enough to handle heavy snow and wind. The sloped gable roof design ensures efficient water and snow runoff. Reinforced steel brackets and a convenient ceiling hook add to its stability and versatility. It's designed for easy assembly. The pre-cut and pre-drilled frame makes setup a breeze. You'll have it up and ready to enjoy in just a few hours. We stand behind our product with a 1-year limited warranty. Contact our professional service team if you have any questions. What we like. Made with a high-quality cedar wood frame and a galvanized steel roof, it offers both aesthetic appeal and durability. The pre-cut and pre-drilled frame makes assembly a breeze. If you want a beautiful and easy-to-assemble gazebo, this one is for you. What people say. The gazebo is beautiful, very sturdy, and was relatively easy to construct. My husband and I took our time and it was done in a little less than a day and a half. This is a very well designed and built gazebo. Arrived quickly and all parts were in perfect condition. Number 2. Outsunny Hardtop Gazebo. It features a sturdy wood frame designed for lasting stability and style. This extra stable triangular design ensures years of reliable use, making it a truly heavy-duty gazebo. The sloped steel roof provides excellent protection from rain and UV rays. Its grooved design allows for quick water runoff, while the strong steel feet keep it firmly in place and prevent water damage. This gazebo is perfect for your backyard, deck, or garden, providing ample space for gatherings and outdoor enjoyment year-round. Use the ceiling hook to add lights or decorations to personalize your space. Host parties, enjoy picnics, or simply relax under it. It's ideal for various outdoor activities, from barbecues to camping, offering versatile options for your needs. The beautiful wooden frame adds a touch of elegance to any outdoor setting. It's not just strong, but also enhances the overall aesthetic, making your events even more special. It measures 13.1 feet long, 11.3 feet wide, and 9.8 feet high. Assembly is required, and remember to clear snow from the roof during winter months. What we like. This gazebo features a strong, solid wood frame and a durable steel roof, ensuring long-lasting stability and weather resistance. It's designed to be a permanent fixture in your outdoor space. If you need a sturdy and stylish gazebo for year-round use, this is the perfect option. What people say. Spent by a lot of time researching patio covers that would be sturdy and hold up to PNW weather. This one was the one we settled on due to the specs, materials and weight. It's held up through wind and weather. So proud of this purchase. It is beautiful, sturdy, and very simple to put together. The parts and lumber is very well labeled and fits together easily. When screwing lumber together, all pieces are either pre-drilled or marked with a small dot to show where to place the screws. This is very helpful. Number 1. Backyard Discovery Norwood Carport. This carport offers superior protection for your vehicles and outdoor equipment. Its robust design ensures durability and longevity. It's built to withstand extreme weather conditions, including heavy snow loads and high winds. You can rest assured it will protect your belongings year-round. We're so confident in its quality that it comes with a 5-year warranty for your peace of mind. That's our commitment to your satisfaction. With its integrated power port, it provides convenient power outlets and USB ports for your outdoor needs. Easily power your devices without extra hassle. The galvanized steel roof is designed for dent and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting protection from the elements. It's built to last. It's crafted from 100% durable cedar wood, naturally resistant to decay. This ensures strength and beautiful natural look. The sturdy 6x6 cedar posts provide superior strength and support. Plus, pre-cut and pre-drilled pieces make assembly a breeze with our interactive BLT app. What we like. It's constructed from 100% cedar wood with a heavy-duty steel roof, offering superior strength and weather protection. The pre-cut and pre-drilled pieces make assembly simple and straightforward. If you desire a robust and easy-to-assemble gazebo, this is a great choice. What people say. The instructions were very step-by-step, and easy to follow if you're good at this type of project. Heavy, stout and tedious, but the end result speaks for itself. Every hole lined up, I had a few extra nuts and bolts for mistakes or breaks and that was great. The app goes through the process with step-by-step moving illustrations and is a tremendous help. The end result is gorgeous, extremely sturdy, and I believe we got most bang for our buck. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.